Oh yeah, and we are back. This is Logic on Steroids. Please hit subscribe on this channel. Thanks for all the subscribers I'm getting. Thanks for checking into the Crazy Cam, what I call the damn thing? Crazy Clock Bodycam playlist. You know what I'm saying? Yo, y'all check that out. My Crazy Clock Bodycam playlist. All right, let's get to 1,000 subscribers by March 2026, y'all. All right. Yo, this video here is crazy. It's about a mother, how she shoot her son. We're gonna just jump right into it. But if you want to watch this video without my commentary, hit this card in the top right here. Bam! All right, let's go.
Are you ready?
No. Don't touch my son. Don't do nothing to my son. I do that if he smack you. Did I smack you? Don't lie. You're not hit you against the wall. Didn't I push you? You're not gonna get in trouble. I pushed you, right? I pushed you, right? Oh, okay. Mind your business. That's not your child. Do you have your kids? Do you have your kids? Do you have?
I guess that's how the video starts. And yeah, that kid looked scared as hell. And it looked like she kind of mushed him when he got out the elevator.
Do you have your kids? Do you have your kids? My son got a... Okay, we can call him to the school and everything, baby.
Calm down.
Baby, I was just at my school, my son's school all yesterday.
I'm just asking.
My son's scared. You're scared.
You can't
You
calm
scared.
down.
But you was just upstairs playing the game. But you was just upstairs asking to play the game. Stop acting like that because she's a light-skinned bro.
What? She talking to him like he's grown. Stop acting like that because that's a child.
That's like everybody else, bro. What the f is so cute about this? What is so cute about
What? In front of the cops, she's cussing, talking to her son.
Why are you talking to a child like that?
What you mean? What you mean? I buy his She don't do for her kids. So don't come at a mother and do it for their child. Big facts. I don't have my baby daddy. I take care of my son. I'm finna give him a haircut tomorrow. I don't give a f about this. And I really want her motherfucking arrested for putting her motherfucking hands on me. Cause I could go down. I could really this real like I said.
she dare you.
She be mad. Every time I get my hair done, you get mad.
Yo, shouts out to the lady to the left right here who I think called the police. You know what I'm saying? Yo, a lot of women don't care about their kids no more. It's all about them and what makes them happy. They don't empathize with the children.
Don't worry about my son. She takes my phone all day nonstop. I don't text her at all. Where is him? Do you want to call my son's school? Do you want to go up there? I text you in like months. I ain't gonna lie. You is a relative. Since she does that January 26th. Since she makes me.
Let's put up the crazy.
That was the pro. I had to go to court that same day. Yeah, girl. So I pushed my baby. This cokehead ugly. No, her friend said that I punched him. Don't you think if I punched him, it would have been a murder?
Are you ready?
I punched him, and he always gonna jump. That's what I do. I didn't do that at school. I pushed him, and he always gonna jump. That's what I do. I didn't do that at school.
She just did it again in front of the cop, and the cop just standing there.
I didn't do that at school when he pushing on other kids.
Now he's crying.
She didn't mind her f***ing business. Mind your business. Mind your business. Leave me alone. That's why I want to leave this building, bro. Leave. I am. Leave me alone. You mad? You jealous of me? Hello? You jealous? Girl, yes, cause it's my baby.
One thing I hate,
bro, I could, but I'm gonna pay.
Is when combat is about to go down, somebody got to get on the phone and call somebody. What you calling somebody for? Is that yelping?
You know, mom, you know.
It's okay. Can I talk to you?
Then I hate when somebody said, "Let's go outside." We right here. Let's go. If you want to go so bad, just take a swing. That goes to the lady on the left, but I'm on her side at the moment. But all that, let's go outside shit. Come on, you know she ain't gonna go outside. She doing this here.
She don't even got her mother. All she worried about is stuff in the next. What you saying? Hello? G, she muffed me. She didn't beat me up. But you know I don't let nobody muff me, bro. Stop talking Cause she muffed me. That's why. Cause if I did that to her, how much you wanna bet y'all would have been quick as hell to arrest me?
Yeah, telling her to turn it down at this time, that's impossible that it's gonna go down like that. Trust me, just chill out.
I bet y'all would have been quick as hell to arrest me.
I'm this close to
My Caucasian brother.
arrest you now for putting your hands on
I didn't put my hands on my
It's
baby.
obvious that you're not treating him right.
What you mean it's obvious?
Yeah, it's obvious. Look at how you're talking. That's not how parents should talk.
Bro, I talked to my son like this on the day I pushed
that's
him.
wrong.
I pushed
And
him.
you're admitting to me that you pushed him. That's not discipline. That's abuse.
No, it's not. Abuse would be beating him. I didn't beat my son.
Abuse would be what
Gee,
you're doing.
so abuse is pushing my son, shoving him, telling him not to go that way.
And these chicks don't even know the law.
Tell me what happened.
The opposite way.
Anything you do when you're angry towards your child, any kind of physical contact, is abuse. If you are teaching him a lesson, just to teach him a lesson, that's discipline. But if you're angry and you're taking it out on your child, put your hand on the child, that's abuse.
Bro, I'm not gonna do bro,
This
you
kid
can
is
go.
obviously very scared of her.
You can go. You can go.
Please stop
You can
talking.
go. I'm done. G, I'm done with this boy.
Tell me what happened. Tell me
G, I'm done with this boy. He really trying to act out just because of her.
What?
Step out of the office, please.
Bro, I'm done with this.
She says she's done with her son.
Something different.
What's the original call?
Somebody in 314 Asia.
Yeah, it's somebody. The other girl, Asia, was calling on her, talking about it's abuse. I'm gonna talk to the
Hey, if you guys love, excuse me, if you guys love children, and you hate to see when parents, you know what I'm saying, murder their children, yo, hit this card right here in the top right here. This is yeah, exactly what you're reading.
Can you tell me what happened? How old are you?
6.
You're 6? Okay. Can you tell me
Comment over there.
what happened today? You have a tissue or something? Tissue for your tears? I need to talk to him without you being here.
Hey, come here.
Bro, this is make my son go against me.
Yeah, take him away. Give him some new parents.
Can you tell me what happened?
Push me.
She pushed you? How did she push you? Tell me.
I was looking
Here, I'm
at
gonna fix your shirt. Okay? You were what? You're
96
there you go. What happened?
and then I was looking at
You leaving?
How is she louder than the child and we right here?
Hello, viewers. We would be most grateful if you would be so kind as to subscribe to our Logic on Steroids channel. Stop pretending that your derriere don't stink.
Brothers and sisters?
You're just on drilling status all night?
Are you hurt? Where does it hurt? Your head? Your mommy hit you in the head?
Man,
When she pushed you?
you seen her push. And all y'all gonna do is give her a slap on the wrist, which y'all been doing. What she gonna get? 10 days in jail or what? House arrest? What she gonna get? Come on, if it was a man that did it, y'all would it, man, come on, y'all put him under the damn jail.
So you saw her push him?
No.
Oh, you didn't see,
I didn't see it. I just, everybody that was out there was like, you just punched your son in the face.
punched, okay.
And then they said his kid hit the wall.
Which part of your head hit the wall?
was partner.
Can you point to it on your head? Where did it hit? Where does it hurt? Point to it. Where does it hurt? Right there.
And there's great.
Yeah, right. You scratch.
No. I was tiger.
treat their child like a rag dog.
She called the police because I was gonna call the police because she shoved me in my face. Now I ain't gonna do that to my baby.
Multiple people saying that they saw you push your child and your child hit his head on the wall.
No, he didn't. He didn't hit his head on.
We just saw you.
He didn't. He didn't hit his head on. He did that himself.
He's telling me and he's pointing to where it hurt.
It don't hurt. He's lying.
I'm sorry, but I'm gonna believe a child over you.
Bro,
Especially the way you're acting.
Facts.
You gonna arrest me?
I'm this close.
Bro,
If I don't get you, calm down.
What you mean? You this close? She assaulted the she hit the child in your face. She pushed him.
I'm not even gonna push him or do nothing. I was just do whatever you want to do, bro.
Are you ready?
He don't even get whooping. The school called me every day about him. I said, I don't whoop him no more. I don't.
When your son flinches, the second you move a little bit, that tells me something.
But I'm angry. I'm yell. I don't. And he hit on kids. Kids hit him all the time.
When your child flinches
I
like
never
this,
hit him. He always
Really?
flinches at everybody, even my brother.
Anaya,
I used to flinch.
Anaya, you need to come down.
I don't hit my child.
Listen, she called the police, you called
I
the
called,
police, right?
yeah.
And now we're here. So guess what? It's a little more complicated than that, all right? So you're gonna work with us, we're gonna figure out what the hell's going on, and then we're gonna go from
I got
there.
a DCF case. They can come over my house any day.
You understand where I'm coming from?
Yup.
Okay, so be an adult now, and let's work this out. You hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna wait right here, I'm gonna go talk to my partner over here. I don't want you saying anything, you understand? You understand?
That's impossible.
did that other girl leave already?
But he shouldn't go against me.
Come on,
She was just my neighbor too. She cool until she see me raise my. She see me. Everybody on the floor know I don't whoop her.
I'm just saying,
you
what
don't
kind
get
of
no whoopings.
Why y'all think men be lying when they talk about this right here? Why y'all think we make this up? It's true. It's on video. What else you need? This is not AI.
What kind of expectations
They don't
do you have of your 6-year-old son? He's 6. He's a baby.
He got a whole Xbox 360. Kid you not.
He's a baby.
He got a whole Xbox 360 toys, everything. And we finna go shopping tomorrow.
Why she's talking to him?
Cut it off. My thing is, you listen to the girl was like, your mom hit you. I didn't hit you in your head. You did that. You got Jermaine when I pushed you over because I was stopped. Basically, he liked her, so I stopped her from talking to her. So he did the most because I stopped her from talking to her. I don't like her. She maced me. Why would you want to talk to somebody that maced your mama?
But he's 6. He's 6. He's not trying to get with nobody.
My son is a really he like girls. My son ain't got one thing I could say. My son is not gay.
She talking to her son earlier like he liked her. Why you gonna like believe that chick?
Asking to play the game. Stop acting like that because she a light skin.
But he don't understand about.
Yeah.
But he hurt my feelings, and then when I put him to my room, and then when we came up to the house, he got the crying like, you know you bogus, bro. You going against me for what? For what? Like I don't beat that boy. He don't get no whooping.
Talk normal volume.
He don't get no whooping. Ask his teacher.
I see it in the
Show you all the stuff he doing in class, and I don't do nothing about it. But just go into the class and tell them the right things and the wrong things. Where is it? Reminders right here. I don't whoop him. I don't beat him. I just push him over and he
Girl, nobody believes you, man.
acted dramatic because he didn't want me to. Usually I won't.
That boy flinching.
Why did you push him over this time?
I didn't. I just basically grabbed him.
Okay, why did you do that?
Because I don't want him talking to her.
Did you see her?
No.
Alright, so who is Janisha to you? You guys are just neighbors or what?
Huh?
You guys are just neighbors?
You know, I stay on the 13th floor. On the 3rd floor, it's all Spanish. I got 2 Spanish people that stay in the floor.
Hey, now you're good, okay?
No, cause he gonna say something. I'll push him because I told him to go away from Nisha. And he gonna say that I beat him. I don't touch him. He sit there and attack kids all day.
regardless,
touch
whether
it.
that happened or not, no, I don't know because I didn't see it. Whether it did or it didn't happen, the bottom line is this is not a good environment for the child. The way you're acting, the way everyone was acting, it is not a good environment for it, and that's why DCFS is going to get contacted because the way everything's going.
Second DCFS case.
Hey, Manai, you gotta look at the big picture, okay? Look.
I hope DCF see this footage.
How are you acting when that guy acted?
I was a little concerned because she gonna try to call the police.
A little bit or a lot?
I wasn't abusive or nothing like that.
Well, your son is.
She just the only reason why I was.
The suspect was charged with 4 counts of domestic battery and is being held on a $35,000 bond, requiring $3,500 to secure release.
Yo, I hope this video right here inspire a lot of y'all bad mothers to be good mothers. Stop hitting your child as a baby. Jesus. Give them their youth. Let them have fun. Let them run around. Let them be children. You can discipline them, but don't take out your anger and start smacking them, pushing them, and talking to them like they grown. You know what I'm saying? Like this one just did. Yo, that disgusts me. But anyways, yo, check out more videos on this channel right here. They're the ones provided this video right here. You know what I'm saying? Shouts out to them. Subscribe to Logic on Steroids. Like this video. Please share. I got more coming at you. Please. Crazy Clock, Bodycam, Shorts. I can't say that for nothing.